Hey, so family, it's your girl K Charles, and I just got back from vacation. But instead of easing back into things, kind of relaxing, getting back to the flow, I decided to jump straight into a new project. I am creating a full custom denim look from scratch, and today is all about prep. Before we even touch the sewing machine, this part right here is the most important. Cutting, measuring, and making sure everything is accurate, because we all know one wrong cut and you're starting all over. And I feel like this is the part people don't really see. They just see the final outfit, not the time, not the focus, and not the patience it takes to even get to that point. This is where your foundation is built. So right now, I'm just taking my time, making sure every piece is cut correctly, lining everything up, and getting it ready for the next step. And after all that, it better come out right. I'm not gonna lie, this one right here, it's either gonna come out really good or we're really gonna have to regroup. But we're going to trust the process. In the next video, we're going to start sewing everything together. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, because that is where it really starts to come to life. Remember, at K Charles Couture, we're created, not purchased.